Hi, this is Home's Guide. Welcome to our channel dedicated to helping you find the best toaster oven for your kitchen needs. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a cooking enthusiast, we've got you covered. Subscribe to stay updated on the latest reviews, comparisons, and tips. Don't forget to like, comment, and share your thoughts with our community. Let's toast to better cooking together. Number 1. BLACKDECKER Force Slice Toaster Oven, 21313 SBD, the kitchen essential that combines versatility with convenience. This sleek toaster oven boasts even toasting capabilities and offers 4 cooking functions: bake, broil, toast, and keep warm, catering to all your culinary needs. Its compact design fits perfectly on any countertop, while the removable crumb tray ensures easy cleanup after each use. With a built-in timer for precise cooking control, this toaster oven is a must-have for any kitchen. Whether you're toasting bread, baking cookies, or keeping appetizers warm for a party, the BLACKDECKER 21313 SBD delivers consistent results every time. Elevate your cooking experience with this reliable and efficient toaster oven. Number 2. Hamilton Beach SureCrisp Toaster Oven Air Fryer Combo, the ultimate kitchen multitasker. With its sleek stainless steel design, this appliance not only fits seamlessly into any kitchen decor but also packs a powerful punch with its 4 slice capacity and ability to fit a 9-inch pizza. Say goodbye to soggy fries and hello to crispy perfection, thanks to its powerful circulation system. Worried about safety? Fear not, as the auto shutoff feature ensures peace of mind. Whether you're whipping up a quick snack or preparing a family feast, the Hamilton Beach SureCrisp Toaster Oven Air Fryer Combo delivers on both style and substance. Number 3. Panasonic's Toaster Oven Flash Express is a culinary game-changer. With its innovative double infrared heating technology, this 1300W powerhouse delivers consistently perfect results, whether you're toasting, baking, or reheating. The removable 9-inch inner baking tray makes cleanup a breeze, while its compact 12x13x 10.25-inch size fits seamlessly into any kitchen space. The sleek silver design adds a touch of sophistication to your countertop. Say goodbye to unevenly cooked meals, this toaster oven ensures even heating every time. From crispy toast to golden brown pastries, the Panasonic Toaster Oven Flash Express elevates your cooking experience to new heights. Say hello to convenience and goodbye to culinary frustrations. Number 4. Nuve Bravo Air Fryer Toaster Smart Oven, the ultimate kitchen multitasker you've been waiting for. With its sleek brushed stainless steel design, this 12-in-1 countertop convection oven boasts a generous 30-quart XL capacity, making it perfect for family meals or entertaining guests. Its temperature controls range from 50 degrees to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, offering precision cooking for a variety of dishes. What sets it apart is its adjustable top and bottom heater settings, allowing you to customize your cooking experience from 0% to 100%. Whether you're baking, air frying, toasting, or roasting, the Nuve Bravo delivers consistent results every time. Say goodbye to cluttered countertops and hello to culinary convenience with the Nuve Bravo Air Fryer Toaster Smart Oven. Number 5. Elite Gourmet ETO 2530M Double French Door Countertop Toaster Oven, a powerhouse appliance redefining kitchen convenience. With its sleek stainless steel and black design, this oven effortlessly blends style and functionality. Equipped with versatile baking, broiling, toasting, and keep warm functions, it caters to all culinary needs. Its spacious 25L capacity accommodates a 12-inch pizza, making it perfect for family dinners or gatherings. The innovative double French doors ensure easy access and efficient cooking, while the intuitive controls simplify operation. Whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast or preparing a gourmet feast, the Elite Gourmet ETO 2530M elevates your cooking experience with its superior performance and elegance. In conclusion, selecting the best toaster oven depends on your specific needs and preferences. Whether it's versatility, capacity, or additional features, there's a perfect fit out there for everyone. We've explored a range of options, from budget-friendly to high-end models, to help you make an informed decision. Remember to consider factors like cooking functions, size, and ease of use when making your choice. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like and share it with your friends. Happy toasting!